Steve, why has there been such a surge in demand for COBOL developers recently?
So really what we're seeing is that systems that were built in the 1960s, 70s, and 80s are still powering some of the systems that we use every day, whether that be financial, whether that be insurance, whether that be government-based. But I mean, the scarier thing is the fact that these systems haven't been upgraded over time. And the approach that these portfolio managers have taken is just the simple one, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
What's scary about this, that there's so many of these organizations that haven't modernized?
Besides the fact that the workforce is continuing to get older, it's getting harder and harder to find people to work on these systems today. That's not getting easier over time. We talked briefly in the previous question about the available vulnerabilities and how those are no longer getting plugged, so there's a security challenge there. And the fact that this hardware is out of date as well. The hardware that it takes to run on is becoming out of date. So that hardware is eventually has a lifespan as well, and that's going to die.
Are there certain industries that are a bigger risk because they're still using COBOL?
When you ask about COBOL specifically, we're looking at financial, we're looking at insurance, we're looking at government, named the big three. But the practice of, if it ain't broke, let's not fix it, that can be applied to anybody that is currently investing in information technology.